If you've changed your mindset but your life still looks the same, you're not alone. Mindset matters, but mindset without action? That's just optimism with no outcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn mindset into momentum, the real-world habits, systems and decisions that transform your financial life. If you're serious about building wealth instead of just thinking about it, stay with me. Hit like if you're ready to build actual results. Tap subscribe if you're done with wishful thinking and ready for practical wealth. Let's get to work. Section 1. Mindset is the start, not the finish. Changing your mindset is like rewriting the blueprint for your life. But without action, that blueprint never becomes a building. You may believe money is a tool. You may embrace growth, risk, and responsibility. But if your day-to-day behavior doesn't reflect that mindset, nothing changes. Here's the truth. Clarity is useless without execution. You don't need more motivation. You need a system. Because mindset sets your direction, but habits set your destination. Section 2. Why most people slide back. Here's what happens to most people. They get inspired. They start strong. Then, they stop. Not because they're lazy, but because they don't build support systems around their new beliefs. They treat personal growth like a feeling instead of a process. But change isn't emotional, it's mechanical. You need daily practices that align with the mindset you're trying to live. Because if your routines don't change, neither will your results. Section 3. 5 wealth building systems that work. These are 5 systems that actually turn your mindset into wealth. They're simple, actionable, and sustainable. If you're not doing them yet, start now. 1. Automate your savings and investments. Every time money hits your account, move a percentage into savings or investments automatically. Don't leave it to willpower. Let the system do the heavy lifting. Pay yourself first. Spend what's left, not the other way around. 2. Track your spending weekly. Set aside 10 minutes a week, every Sunday, and review where your money went. Look at the categories. Find leaks. Fix them. Awareness is the foundation of control. 3. Do a monthly net worth check-in each month. Log your income, expenses, assets, and debts. This builds financial literacy and keeps you focused on your bigger goals. Most people avoid their numbers. Wealthy people track them religiously. 4. Learn about money daily. 15 minutes a day. That's it. Read a book, watch a tutorial, listen to a podcast. Compound interest applies to knowledge, too. 5. Curate your environment. You cannot thrive in an environment that resists your growth. Surround yourself online and offline with people who talk about wealth, not drama. Your circle either fuels your momentum or drains it. Choose wisely. Section 4. Replace these 5 broke habits immediately. Now let's get very specific. These are 5 habits you must let go of starting today and what to do instead. Habit 1. Ignoring your bank statements. Avoiding your finances doesn't protect you, it blinds you. Replace it with a 10-minute weekly money review. Sit down. Check your accounts. Know what's happening. Habit 2. Spending to relieve stress. Buying comfort today often creates chaos tomorrow. Replace it with investing for peace of mind. Even small amounts build long-term confidence. Habit 3. Saying, "I can't afford it." This phrase shuts down possibility. Replace it with, "How can I afford it?" Train your brain to solve, not surrender. Habit 4. Hoping to earn more someday. Hope is not a plan. Replace it with, take action. Start a side hustle. Upskill. Build a second income stream intentionally. Habit 5. Avoiding money conversations. Silence breeds shame. Replace it with, schedule regular conversations with a partner, mentor, or even yourself through journaling. Make money a topic, not a taboo. These changes are simple, but they're not small. Over time, they'll completely rewire your financial life. Section 5. Repetition builds identity. Here's a truth most people overlook. You don't rise to your mindset. You fall to your habits. And your habits reinforce your identity, who you believe you are. If you still see yourself as bad with money, you'll act like it even with good intentions. But when you begin identifying as a builder, a planner, a wealth creator, your behavior aligns. You are not behind. You are not stuck. You are early in the process of becoming financially strong. Say this daily. I am responsible for my financial future. Wealth is something I build. Not once, daily. Section 6. What you can do today. Let's make this practical. Here's your action plan for today, not next week, not someday. 1. Set up automatic savings or investment transfers, even if it's just $10 per week. 2. Schedule your first financial check-in for this Sunday. Block 30 minutes. 3. Choose one book or podcast to learn from daily for the next 30 days. No more waiting. No more consuming endless content without applying it. Start today. Final message. Mindset was the ignition. Now this system, these habits is your vehicle. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to act. Consistently. Quietly. Relentlessly. Wealth is not about being flashy. It's about having options. Options to say yes. Options to say no. Options to live life on your terms. So here's what I want you to do now. Hit like if you're ready to take control. Subscribe if you're committed to long-term wealth, not shortcuts. And comment below. Right finger, I build wealth daily. Let's make this real. Let's make it permanent. Thanks for watching. Now go build the life you were meant to lead.